Hi, my name is Brandon Hines. I'm product manager at Rankis Hines. We're here at ISE 2020 and we're going to talk about some of our products here. The first one that I want to speak about is our IC Live X family of digitally steerable products. There are 3 different loudspeakers in this line. We have 2 of them here on display today. We have the IC Live X, which is a dual 8-inch fully steerable loudspeaker, and then we have the companion module, the IC Live XL, which is 4 8-inch low frequency drivers meant to give you better low frequency pattern control at lower system cost. So this box is very exciting for us because it's an incredibly high output, incredibly scalable, digitally steerable system that can be used to cover any kind of application, from performing arts centers to theaters to nightclubs to what have you, any kind of application where you want some high output digitally steered audio. This thing is inherently scalable. You can use a single loudspeaker. As you see over here, we have a single IC Live X on a stick. This can also be flown up to 12 boxes tall for very high output, incredibly directional arrays. If you'd like any more information on the IC Live X, you can go ahead and visit our website at www.rankis-hines.com.